Hello user, myself Abhishek and I welcome you on this EvoJet channel. So I am your Odoo trainer. So today we are going to see application of bill of material revision, that how we can revise a existing bill of material. So this module provides user a functionality through which the bill of material can be revised in major or minor version as per requirement, and the status can be set to active also. So today we are going to see that by using this app how we can revise our bill of material. So for doing that, it is having certain key features like only active bill of material can be accessed by the user. You can configure this allow active bill of material thing, then only you can revise the material as per your requirement. Minor revision or major revision you can mark it. So as next thing, first of all we'll open list of bill of material. As you can see, there is bill of materials and the state is active, and we can see two bill of material who are in active state. So we are going to open one of the bill material because by default system will show active bill of material in the list view. So once we open the bill of material, then we can see a button revise over here. This button is going to be reflected, revise button is there, and the state of this bill of material is going to be active. So if we want to make any changes, or if we want to revise this bill of material, we need to click on this revise button. So click revise button to open next version of for revise bill of material. So once you click on this, the system will ask you that whether this bill of material is revision is minor or major. So this will show the next version, minor. Next version is 1.001, and once we are sure about this thing, after making the changes, we will click on confirm. Can select the version number, okay, and now we click on confirm. Now once you confirm that, now you can see your bill of material is edited, and now there is the option of active. We need to make it active, otherwise by default this revised bill of material is going to be in draft stage. To make it active, we need to click on active button. So we need to click on active button, and once we click on active button, this bill of material will come into active state, and this is going to be revised new bill of material. If we want to allow the system to show only active bill of material in sales order or wherever it is going to be used, then for that we need to go into settings. In sales, we are going to find this allow active BOM, and we need to check it on. So once we do check it on, then only active bill of material are going to be displayed while using sales order or anywhere. We are going to see only active bill of material. The bill of material which are in draft stage or any other state will not be displayed in any transactions. So thank you very much. I hope you understood about bill of material revision application. In case you want to get in touch with us, you can contact us on info@evojet.com, or you can also contact us on the given number on the screen. Once again, thank you very much.